Hey guys, so welcome to another video. It's been almost, I think, a year since I've posted a video, but I actually have decided to go ahead and, try this again. I'm out of breath because I just finished cleaning. This video is going to be a clean with me kitchen, just something like really fast. It's nothing like too extensive. What I plan on doing is like a declutter with me. I need to declutter the cabinets. There's some areas over here in the kitchen where we keep like our food. I need to declutter that, and so I will be posting more videos. I plan on doing I want to try to do at least 3 videos a week of cleaning motivation for you guys, and so I'm pretty excited to jump back in and do this again. So we'll see how this goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click that subscribe button. Also, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Alright guys, so I am actually going to first apologize for all the shakiness of the intro, and also, whoa, did you see how close up I was? It was crazy. But this cleaning video is just going to be some motivation just for you to get up, get out of your seat, and to go ahead and just start cleaning something, anything. That's just what I did.
Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave.
Guys, I'm not even gonna tell you how freaked out I was to go into my garage. I know it's funny because who's scared of their garage? But I am. So I hate going into the garage for anything. I dislike it. So I always try not to go into the garage. I make Max go into the garage for me instead. But for this, I was like, I have to go put this stuff up. It had been sitting there for a long time and it just had to get out of the way. So it was just two Keurigs that I had, my old one and then the new one. It broke down on me. I've only had it for a month, but I had to go and replace it. So that was just the box, and it's just been sitting there for like 3 days, and it was driving me crazy.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river. we going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, no words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you.
Okay guys, so I'm going to add a couple of oils to my diffuser just to restart it. It was diffusing a little earlier and then I noticed that it stopped. So I've been having my diffuser for almost a month now and I absolutely love it. It has replaced every single one of my candles. I was getting a really bad headache with candles and a lot of synthetic scents, so I decided to go to a more natural process, which was oils, and I decided to do Young Living. To be honest, I really did it because of the bowl, but I have not looked back since, and I've only done it for a month, so I can't really say it's changed my life just yet, but I am really excited to start the process of using non-toxic household cleaners and products like that for my family just to be safer. I've ordered a lot of stuff in my Essential Rewards oil order, so I'm pretty excited about that. I got really tongue-tied, but that is just what I'm doing. I just added thieves and peppermint just to give myself a little bit of a jolt because I was really tired right then.
Hanging on those strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors.
Okay guys, so that will be everything for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. It was just a simple clean. I didn't really have much. I do have a lot of stuff to declutter, so like I said in the intro, I will be filming that. I have a Monica's Closet for any friends, lovers out there will know what that is, and I have a whole room that is an actual closet. So I hope you guys stay tuned with me in my channel. Also, please click that subscribe button and the like button if you did enjoy this video, and you guys have an amazing day. Bye!
Thinking we'll be